So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can erase data from a lost device. Now this can become very handy in case you have lost your phone and if it contains a lot of secret confidential files, you may decide to do this as the last resort. Now before we begin, there are a few things that you should be knowing. You need to have like the Find My Device from Google, this application installed on your phone. You'll find this on the Play Store. Go ahead and install this app and then the steps are pretty simple. I will open this app up. Now, the few things that you should be knowing is that all your other devices should be like having a steady network connection, that is data connection, and also they should be logged into Google. So like you will see that I have different devices which are reflecting here because they are all using my Google account. So if I tap on this device, you can see that it's pointing to a certain location. Likewise, if I point to this device, it shows the device name and where it is at present. And likewise, all my different devices. But this device actually like it will not be able to reach because the device has been turned off. Just my point of saying that the device should be turned on and it should have a valid network connection with it. Now, if you see like there are various things that you can do, and let me kind of zoom out a little and explain to you. So once the device has been like, connected to, so you can simply scroll from the bottom upwards and then you can play sound. Now when you tap on play sound, what will happen is that the lost device will start ringing and you need to click on the power thing to make it stop ringing. So it's a good way of finding a misplaced or a lost device. So let me try this. So I press the power button and you can see that it stopped ringing. So this is one thing that you can do. Another thing that you can do is tap on secure device. And what happens is you can write a message here. So in the lock screen, this message will get displayed to the person who may have found this lost phone. And also you can write down your phone number so that the person can contact you. So this is for securing a device. Now, the most important thing and for which I'm making this tutorial is erasing the device. Now, when you do this, all the data on the lost device will get erased. For this, you will have to put in your Google credentials again. And mind you, if you do this, you will not be able to again establish connection with the lost device again. So this is possible using this erase device thing. Obviously, I will not be going through this in live because I won't be wanting to erase data from that device. But this is an important thing and something that is really valuable in case you have lost a device, you're not able to establish connection and you think that this is something that you may need to do. So hopefully this helps. If it does, consider subscribing to the channel, tap on the bell icon for notifications and do share this on social networks. Because I really think oftentimes, we lose our devices and knowing that you can actually, connect to them and simply play a sound so that you can reach out to those devices is very valuable. I remember I was getting late for office. I was not really knowing where my other device is. Simply use this app and found the device which I want and then simply played the sound and the device I could locate it easily. So that's all for today guys. Hopefully you had a nice time watching this and I will see you in the next one.